Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Today I'm going to show you how you could edit CV in Microsoft 365. First of all, we need to search for CV on the network. So I'm going to write here Google Smarts Advanced Search, and I'm going to click on this. I'm going to write TV templates, and I want the file to be in Microsoft Word documents. Click on search and let's see if we could find anything. Okay, this is a CV. So this is a template that we can work on. Now, if we'd like to edit it, I'm going to enable editing right through here. And this is our CV. So now we can add here a picture. So this is a frame. We can make it bigger. We can make it smaller. We can move it around as we would like. We can move it to the bottom, to the top, but usually I would like it to stay in its place. Here we have a couple of separators, as you can see. We can change the colors, so we can go here and change the colors and the thickness of the line and much more than that. Here we have, for example, the box. We can change the color by making them, as you can see, like this. There's a lot of things that we can actually edit. Here we could go ahead and change the text. Of course, this template has many information that doesn't really necessarily fit us, so I'm going to start by removing this, which is the header of the page that doesn't really represent us, and then change every single information within this page. So here the name, the phone, and experiences depending on our CV. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next video.